Okay, here we go, guys. We're ready to start section 7-1, dealing with polynomials, okay? A couple of notes here first, okay? When I deal with a polynomial is just a bunch of terms separated by pluses and minuses, okay? For example, if I gave you 3x to the fourth minus 2x plus 9, that's a polynomial. That's three terms. 3x to the fourth, negative 2x, positive 9. If I gave you 8x3 plus 4x, that's two terms. That's also poly means more than one, okay? What I want you to understand, though, is there's an order that you're supposed to put polynomials in. And what determines it is the exponent. The exponents have to go from big to little. There's a 4, that exponent's a 1. There is no exponent, there's no x on that term. They always have the numbers at the very end. So if I gave you something such as this, 7x minus 3x to the fifth plus 4 minus 9x to the seventh. The first term should be negative 9x to the seventh because it has the highest exponent. The next highest exponent is negative 3x to the fifth. Seventh, fifth, then 7x, and then you always put your number first, okay? That's called standard form. They have to go in descending orders from big to little for the exponents, okay? Also, you need to understand that this is what is called seventh degree. The reason why it's seventh degree, it's the highest exponent. That's all it is. Degree is the highest exponent, all right? And there's something called a lead coefficient. The lead coefficient is negative 9. All the lead coefficient is the number in front when it's in the right order. This is in the right order, so 3 is the lead coefficient. This is in the correct order, so 8 would be the lead coefficient. So you put them in order. Standard form means put them in order from big exponent to little exponent. The lead coefficient's the lead number. And if I give you something such as this, if I give you 2 minus 9x plus x squared, that's not in the right order. You should have put x squared first, then minus 9x, then plus 2. Okay, the lead coefficient, you might say there isn't one there. Yes, there is. It's a 1. Lead coefficient's 1. It's 1. This is second degree. That's the highest exponent is a 2, okay? So let's knock out some of these easy questions right here, all right? So they ask us on exercise number 5 on 7-1. Number 5, they give us the degree of this. It says 4g. It's the highest exponent. There's only one term there, okay, because terms are separated by pluses and minuses, okay? There's only one term, and you don't see the exponent. It's there, okay? It's a 1, so it's first degree. It's first degree, okay? Our degree is 1, okay? Question number 7, okay? Again, knocking out some real simple ones. They give us, again, only one term, negative 1.75k squared. This is second degree, degree 2. It's the highest exponent is a 2, okay? This is a little bit tricky, okay? If I gave you something such as this, okay? They give you s to the 8th, then t. There's only one term here, okay? Remember, terms are separated by pluses and minuses. If it was s to the 8th plus t, that'd be two terms. But it's not s to the 8th plus t, it's just s to the 8th t. There's only one term there, okay? You might be tempted to say the exponent, the degree is 8. That's the highest exponent, okay? Here's what you do, okay? If you have more than one variable, you mentally add the exponents on the variables. There's a 1 here, okay? That's actually 9th degree. It's 9th degree because 8 and 1's 9. If I gave you x to the 4th plus y to the 2nd, that would be 4th degree. There's two terms here. 4 is the highest exponent. If I give you x to the 4th times y to the 2nd, that would be 6th degree. 4 plus 2, okay? So when you have a term that has more than one variable, you add the exponents, okay? So let's give you one more, then we'll move on. If I gave you x4, y2 plus x8, y, that looks terrible, x8, y6, and x2, y10. There's three terms here, this term, and this term. The degree of this term is 6, 4 plus 2. The degree of this term is 14, 8 plus 6. The degree of this is 12. It would be 14th degree, because 14 is the biggest number there, okay? 8 plus 6. All right, so that was number 9. Let's look at number 11. So here's one we just, very similar. It says 9x, y3, z7. 9x, y3, z7, I think it says. 9x, y3, z7. Okay, so there's only one term here. Add up all the exponents on all the variables, okay? 9 has an exponent, it's a 1, but you don't add up the exponents on the numbers, just the variables. So there's a 1 here, a 3 here, and a 7 here. That's 11th degree, okay? That's all you do. 1 plus 3 plus 7, 11. Okay, number 13. Let's get rid of some of these. Number 13, we have, they want to put it in standard form, they want the degree, and they want the lead coefficient. So you get 6C2 plus something, 2C4 minus C. Okay, so put them in the right order. This one should be first as the highest exponent. That has the next highest exponent. That has the lowest exponent. Okay, your lead coefficient is 2. It's the number out front. And the degree is 4th degree. Okay, lead coefficient is 2. It's 4th degree. Make sure you put them in the right order. They wanted the degree, if you're punching them in, they want the degree, then the lead coefficient. It's the right answers, just make sure you put them in the right order. They asked for the degree first, then the lead coefficient. Okay? Oh, one more thing. Then they ask us to classify a number of terms. Okay? This has 3 terms. We're talking about polynomials here. Poly means more than one. If you have 3 terms, that's something called a trinomial. 3 terms. Tricycle. Okay? Trio has 3. If there's only 2 terms, that's called a binomial. Bi means 2, binomial. And if you only have 1 term, such as this, that's something called a mono. Mono means 1, monomial. Binomial has 2 terms, monomial has 1 term, trinomial has 3 terms, okay? All right, number 15. Same instructions. They give us a polynomial, they want it in the right order. And some other questions, 7 plus 3p2. 7 plus 3p2. Put them in the right order. We should have had 3p2 first, then 7. The degree, it's 2nd degree. The lead coefficient is 3, the number up front. And there's 2 terms here, so it is a binomial. Okay, it's a binomial. $17. Okay, this is a quick one. 17, and they give us, what do we have here? 3t to the 8th. Okay, well, it's in the right order. It has to be in the right order because there's only 1 term. Okay, so it's in the right order. They ask us for the degree. The degree is 8th degree. The lead coefficient is 3. And there's only 1 term there, so it is a monomial. Monomial. Okay, number 21. Okay, this one's a little bit weird. They give us an expression, 4/3 pi r cubed. 4/3 pi r cubed. And remember, pi is a number. It's a number about 3.14. Okay? So they ask us right here, probably a number represented by, okay, so the number is 4/3 pi. That's what they're asking. 4/3 pi is the number. R cubed is the variable, okay? Raised to the power. So R cubed is the variable. So 4/3 pi is the number. R to the 3rd is a variable, okay? The degree of it, well, the degree is the highest exponent, which is a 3. It's 3rd degree. Okay? Okay, we're going to stop right there. I want you to get to number 22 on this section by tomorrow, okay? All right. All right, we're done.